Choose analogous pair food, hungry. The correct answer is C. Rest, weary. A joint military counter-IED improvised explosive device exercise Al-Qash-3 is between dash and dash, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Who won Abu Dhabi F1 Grand Prix race of 2021? Max Verstappen. Nawab Akbar Bugti was assassinated on 26 August 2006. Who was the hero of 1857 war? Bakht Khan. Choose analogous pair Jupiter planet. The correct answer is D. Everest Peak. Israeli PM Dash meets Crown Prince on first UAE visit. Naftali Bennett. When Pakistan reported its first confirmed case of the Omicron variant of COVID-19, 13 December 2021. Largest dam of Pakistan is Tarbela Dam. Navy captain is equal in rank to Army Dash Colonel. Choose analogous pair hypocrisy, honesty, seldom, often. Which country is set to issue the world's first sovereign Bitcoin bonds and build Bitcoin city? El Salvador. Recently, which Islamic country launched the first women's football league? Saudi Arabia. Who is the current Minister of Minorities Affairs, Social Affairs and Prisons in Sindh? Gyan Chand Israni. Choose analogous pair bread, flour. Road, asphalt. Which country has carried out direct ascent anti-satellite DA-ASAT test recently? Russia. How many founding members OIC has at the time of its establishment? 25. PM Imran Khan on Dash launched the Naya Pakistan Card initiative 8 December 2021. Choose analogous pair rectangle, pentagon, triangle, rectangle. What did Pakistanis Google the most in 2021? Pakistan versus South Africa.